German Shepherds are working dogs developed originally for herding sheep. Since that time, however, because of their strength, intelligence, trainability, and obedience, German Shepherds around the world are often the preferred breed for many types of work, including disability assistance, search and rescue, police and military roles and acting. The German Shepherd is the second most registered breed by the American Kennel Club and seventh most registered breed by the Kennel Club in the United Kingdom. German Shepherds are medium to large-sized dogs. The breed standard height at the withers is 60 to 65 cm 24 to 26 in for males, and 55 to 60 cm 22 to 24 in for females. German Shepherds are longer than they are tall, with an ideal proportion of 10 to 8.5. The UKK official breed standard does not set a standard weight range. They have a domed forehead, a long square-cut muzzle with strong jaws and a black nose. The eyes are medium-sized and brown. The ears are large and stand erect, open at the front and parallel, but they often are pulled back during movement. A German Shepherd has a long neck which is raised when excited and lowered when moving at a fast pace as well as stalking. The tail is bushy and reaches to the hock. German Shepherds have a double coat which is close and dense with a thick undercoat. The coat is accepted in two variants, medium and long. The long hair gene is recessive, making the long hair variety rarer. Treatment of the long hair variation differs across standards. They are accepted but not competed with standard coated dogs under the German and UK kennel clubs, while they can compete with standard coated dogs, but are considered a fault in the American Kennel Club. The FCI accepted the long-haired type in 2010, listing it as the variety B, while short-haired type is listed as the variety A. Most commonly, German Shepherds are either tan, black or red-black. Most color varieties have black masks and black body markings which can range from a classic saddle to an overall blanket. Rarer color variations include the sable, pure black, pure white, liver, silver, blue, and panda varieties. The all-black and sable varieties are acceptable according to most standards. However, the blue and liver are considered to be serious faults, and the all-white is grounds for instant disqualification from showing in conformation at all breed and specialty shows. German Shepherds are a popular selection for use as working dogs. They are known for being easy to train and good for performing tasks and following instructions. They are especially well known for their police work, being used for tracking criminals, patrolling troubled areas, and detection and holding of suspects. Additionally, thousands of German Shepherds have been used by the military. Usually trained for scout duty, they are used to warn soldiers to the presence of enemies or of booby traps or other hazards. German Shepherds have also been trained by military groups to parachute from aircraft or as anti-tank weapons. They were used in World War II as messenger dogs, rescue dogs, and personal guard dogs. A number of these dogs were taken home by foreign servicemen, who were impressed by their intelligence. The German Shepherd is one of the most widely used breeds in a wide variety of scent work roles. These include search and rescue, cadaver searching, narcotics detection, explosives detection, accelerant detection, and mine detection dog, among others. They are suited for these lines of work because of their keen sense of smell and their ability to work regardless of distractions. At one time, the German Shepherd was the breed chosen almost exclusively to be used as a guide dog for the visually impaired. When formal guide dog training began in Switzerland in the 1920s under the leadership of Dorothy Eustace, all of the dogs trained were German Shepherd females. An experiment in temperament testing of a group of Labrador Retrievers and German Shepherds showed that the Retrievers scored higher on average in emotional stability and ability to recover promptly from frightening situations, cooperative behavior, and friendliness, while the German Shepherds were superior in aggression and defensive behavior. These results suggested that Labrador Retrievers were more suited to guide dog work while German Shepherds were more suited to police work. Currently, Labradors and Golden Retrievers are more widely used for this work, although there are still German Shepherds being trained. In 2013, about 15% of the dogs trained by Guide Dogs of America are German Shepherds, while the remainder are Labrador Retrievers and Golden Retrievers. The Guide Dogs for the Blind Association in the United Kingdom trains some German Shepherds, while the comparable organization in the US only trains Labrador Retrievers, Golden Retrievers, and crosses between these breeds. German Shepherds are still used for herding and tending sheep grazing in meadows next to gardens and crop fields. They are expected to patrol the boundaries to keep sheep from trespassing and damaging the crops. In Germany and other places, these skills are tested in utility dog trials, also known as HGH, Herdungsbrauchstunde, herding utility dog trials. One Mexican German Shepherd, Zuyaki, was dissected and his body put on display at the Sedenas Narco Museum in Mexico. He is regarded to be the dog who has captured the most drugs in Mexican police and military history. Please like and subscribe this channel for more innovative videos.